Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to open what I bought from the thrift shop. I'm going to open this and my luggage inside right there. Let's do it! But first I want to show you this, it's not a trunk, it's a luggage bag from a long time ago. It's a luggage bag. I'm pretty sure that this is a luggage bag. It's size 60. The date code is VI1921. So 9 and 1 is the year of it. The second and the fourth number is the year of it. It's from 1991. The first number and the third number is 1, 2, which means December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12. So this is from December 1991, made in France, as you can see here. Got it from the thrift store. It's just almost $200 US. It's really cheap because nobody wants to take it, so they didn't put like a big amount for this one. And because this one is broken already, but it's not that gonna break, I don't think that you need this, so you can still use it for a very quite long time. It's quite heavy for a luggage bag, because usually people don't use a luggage bag like this because it's not a smart luggage bag, you know, but it's really classy, like a very old-fashioned, you know. So the first bag that I'm going to show you is the Babin, but I don't know how to pronounce it in French, so I just say Babin. It's a PM size, it's the smallest size. So SR means it's made from France, and 0072 means from 2002 July. 07 means July. 02 means 2002. As you can see here, it says made in France. And if you want to know the size of it, just type it on Google. Just type LV Babin PM size. This one.